What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes to y'all with another how-to. Today we got a 2013 Hyundai Accent, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. This is the type of thing that I like to do here. Car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&A, speaker installs, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this dash, Mars and Scars, really easy. So definitely want to use your nylon pick tools, not pick tools, yeah, I got it back. All right, yeah, just come up under here. It's all one piece, and once we get that loose, everything else starts to get loose. So that's what I like. You might be able to just use your hands from here on out. Let's try. There we go, one piece, baby. And we don't have to disconnect any of that because now we have what we need. 4 Phillips. Let's go ahead and take these out. Those 4 Phillips out. That just pulls out like that. We want to go back here, take out these harnesses. Alright guys, so y'all can see that we got that factory radio out. Now let's get over here to the table, get that dash kit prepped. So we're over here on the bench and we're ready to just get our radio prepped to get back inside the car. This part is actually pretty easy. It comes with 3 pieces, one for the left, one for the right, and this little trim piece. So nothing actually hooks up to this piece. This piece actually goes back inside the car and it mounts to the dash, to the trim that we just took this radio out of. So what we're going to do is take the deck screws that came with the radio, screw them in here, 2 on the left, 2 on the right, just so it's secure, and then we'll go back inside the car to get this mounted to the actual dash. Alright guys, so there you go, 2 screws on the right, 2 screws on the left. Now when we go back inside the car, we're going to mount this piece to the actual dash panel, and it's going to look like this. It's going to look like that when it's done. So let's go ahead and get this radio wired up and get it back inside the car. Alright guys, so we are back inside the car, and I just want to show you that this dash kit literally just snaps in like I was telling you. So once you have that snapped into place, it looks like that in the front, and then we just want to take our radio, mount it right here. And now, if this is your first time tuning in, you're probably thinking, man, why didn't you go over the wiring? Well, here at this channel, we have over 200 different radio removal and install videos, and if I take the time to go over the wiring each and every single time, it's going to add an extra 5-10 minutes per video, and I like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point for you guys. So what I did is I made one video. That link is in the description, and the cards will be in the corner, and it is how to wire up a CD player. I go over connections, what the aftermarket wire colors mean, and all of that good stuff. And a lot of people are thinking, man, every car is different. Yes, this is true, but as long as you have the harness and know what these wire colors mean on this side, then you should be good. Now, if you are a Patreon community supporter, then I actually go over factory wire colors. I show you like the different wire diagrams if you DM me if you need it. Also, when I do steering wheel controls on these different cars, I give you that behind the scenes footage, and that is stuff that I do not show on YouTube just because you guys want to go the extra mile and further support me. If you guys want to be a part of that community, then that link is in the description. Other than that, let's go ahead and get this thing pushed back in the radio so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, and that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links are in the description. Patreon community links is in the description. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out.